What is up, you guys? How are you all doing today? Not too great actually. I'm having a very bad week actually. In case you guys are wondering what happened to Shadow Warrior from Wednesday and Thursday, which is yesterday. Wednesday, I will explain it on the. I have explanation on the video for you guys over there. But what happened on Thursday was I completed the game. Really, truly, I have completed the game. I was busy editing it, rendering it. Then there was a power failure. Again, yes, there was a horrible power failure. Like last year when we had the little substation exploded. One of the fiber companies decided they're going to puncture a hole in one of the electrical cable that is connected to the mini substation close to my place over here. Apparently there was a big fight about it, and people refused to get it fixed up until tonight at about 9 o'clock in the evening, which I'm recording this right now. So I do apologize if I did say it was Thursday, but if you're lucky enough, this is going to be up on Saturday, so I do apologize in advance for that, and hope you guys will forgive me, but I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and I hope you guys would love the experience of what I did over there. I actually completed that map without any saves. 3 boss fights, no saves. That took me a lot of practice work to do over there. But yeah, what Sun last did to me, yeah, I feel really good about that. So hopefully tomorrow we will start with the new Doom project. I already got that in mind, and then again from the Monday project and the Tuesday project of Doom will also be there as well for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I will see you guys in the video. And as you can see, my hair is short. In the video it is actually long. So yeah, your boy got a haircut yesterday. Yeah, your boy got a haircut yesterday. He needed it desperately. Desperately. I will trim my beard when the time is right. Okay, but anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in a bit. What is up, you guys? It's your boy Electroflame JD in the house, back again once again for a beautiful, wonderful, self-centered revenge. And today, people, we are here for E16 Stone Rain on Shadow Warrior No Pain No Gain difficulty Code of Honor. This will be done by 100% kills and secrets. This is the last map of the game, so I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get on with the show. Holy crap!
Zilla is here, Lowen. Remember what I taught you. The Force will be with
Did he just say the Force will be with me? You two are very rude. He just said the Force will be with me. Is this a Star Wars reference? Because if it is, it's like, may the Force be with you, my child. My Padawan. Hi guys, how you guys all doing today? I'm doing marvelous. So it's Thursday today. I hope you guys are enjoying your Thursday morning, afternoon, and evening as what I'm enjoying with mine with Death. And this video was delayed from yesterday. I do apologize for that. But yes, I know it's crazy. But I recorded it. But as soon as I got to the boss fight, load shedding started and the power cut off completely, and I was very upset. So I completely gave up, went to bed, slept it off. So yes, what are we doing today? First things first, I'm gonna get our sticky bomb out for a special guest. Where are you? Hello. I can see you. I can see a flying ball. There we go. You have 2 new friends. Come on. Haha. Okay, anyways, let's throw that for the secret. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And... well, I like to commit suicide. That's not gonna work. Come on. Come on. Haha. Anyways, you die bye-bye now. Let us quickly grab our first secret salon, which is right here. But we're also in a hunt for one of those guys that's over there. So, jumping down here.
Secret.
And then jumping down again. Now, there we go. Thank you. Don't come again. And then we have a guardian and kamikaze guys over here. Thank you. Let's grab all of his things. I'm gonna grab a fortune cookie just now, but while I'm doing that... hello! Thank you. Don't come again. Okay. Give me that. And there we have 3 more of these guys. Wow. Rude. Very rude. Anyways, let's grab a sticky bomb. Just be careful for those things out there. And we're going to start from this side. And basically, get a missile launcher. And get a grenade launcher. And a riot gun. Which, it's telling me something.
Ah, better than acupuncture.
Very, very much telling me to use the railgun. Let's grab the medipack. And then at the very same time, let's grab this. Because we're going to be using them. Right. Let's go to our next fight, which is up here. We're going to deal with 2 guardians and 2 kamikaze dudes. But, have no fear. I have your back. This is basically an easy fight. This is basically an easy fight. Oh yeah, there's a ghost here as well. There's a kamikaze. If you just shoot him, please. Wow. Thank you. Anyways, there's your weapons that you need, and I'm just going to do that. Waste my ammo because we can, and then
stand by. 3, 2, 1. All systems ready.
We're gonna fight our first boss monster. We're gonna fight our first boss, which is... oh, I'm gonna say he's a monster, yes. Our first boss monster, which is the sumo. If you remember which one it was by the sky pillar. Before we finished our secret level. Yeah. We're fighting him first. Hello.
Warning.
And I wish I'm going to do this, but then I'm going to do this because we've got 12 of these. It's not too much of a difficult fight, but it is a tedious fight.
Sticky bomb like you. Sticky bomb like you.
Yeah, sticky bomb.
Sticky bomb, meet Mr. Stupid.
Hey, you can if you want to. You can be very ballsy. But I would like to keep my health the way it is. And ammunition the way it is. Because... ouch. Ooh, ah, that was stupid. Ooh, that was very stupid. Okay, never mind. Let us grab that again, because I want to kill you with my pea shooter. I really truly want to kill you with my pea shooter. Wow. There we go. Ow.
Ah, better than acupuncture.
Wow. And there's lots of ammunition here for you. And for you. I'll grab that. Sticky bombs.
Cowabunga.
And even... yes, missile launchers.
Ancient
Your
Chinese
second secret over here by the portrait. Silver key and even the medipack that you need. The third secret's right here. Interact with the portrait. Go quick.
Ancient Chinese
In
secret.
and out. And then right after that, you're Gucci to go. But before we Gucci to go, let's grab the nuclear warhead over here. Let's go quickly back. Because I can. I want to restock on ammunition. One more time. One more time. And then we're going to go on the far left over there. I'm going to deal with some enemies over there firstly. And we're going to go through the smoky cloud as well. So we're going to start over here. There we go. Quickly put in your silver key. Let's cause some chaos. So here's your first chaos. Like I said, first chaos. There we go. Second chaos. Thank you. And we have another one lying over here. And we're gonna grab a fortune cookie because we can. And grab. Ooh, nice. Nice. Grab another fortune cookie because I can. And let's quickly get out in here. Go down, turn right. There we go. Next, let's do a little bit of... and let's do a bit of more cleanup. Right, very quickly. Nuclear head.
Stand by.
And
3,
also, while you're
2,
waiting,
1. All systems
interact
ready.
with the wall over here. And
Ancient Chinese
grab your
secret.
things that you need over here. Now we have to be very quick. So first the...
Warning.
Ooh.
Ah, better than acupuncture.
Ooh. That was so close in so many ways.
Stand by. 3, 2, 1. All systems ready.
Oops. Glad he's walking this side.
Warning.
There we go. I want him to do this so that I can let him come to me. And while you're doing this, big concentration mode, you have to move back and forth so that he stays in the middle. Very easy to do, but also very tricky at the very same time. Okay, so a lot of focus has to be done over here, because like I said, I died by the boss monster, and I wish not to save. I really truly wish not to save and come back here and make the video extra long. I'm trying not to make it extra long. Ooh, that was close. That was very close. You do not like me at all, sir. My thought process was, I thought maybe he could not get out of here, so let's get the homing out. There we go. There's one shot. 2 shots. And there we go.
For the weak.
There we go. So we can grab another nuclear warhead. We can grab that. And let's start collecting some goodies.
Ah, better than acupuncture.
Like over here. Some nice goodies over here that you can also collect. Fortune cookies and another medipack. But your reward for defeating Zilla is right up here. But first things first, double check. There we go. The yellow card key. Now, if you have seen E1 and E4 where I fought the Demon Zilla, this is much similar. Very, very much similar. Now to go back, just press the switch to create some stairs for you. But yeah, with that fight that I had with Zilla, I will put a link down below for you guys so that you can see the playthrough I did over there. Anyways, let's go to the yellow card door where we need to activate a switch. Okay, so here's the switch. We'll open a vortex for us over there, and we have to jump through it. Oh man. Okay, let's do this. Okay, quickly. 3 guardians. And you can basically collect all the weapons you need over here.
Cowabunga.
Most importantly, missile launchers. Now I'm gonna let go some few barrages of there we go. And then from this advantage point.
Like Chinese New Year power.
Yeah. There should be another one.
Want some wang?
And over here.
Holy cow.
I think everybody's dead now. Yeah, everybody dead. So I'm gonna grab one fortune cookie over here, because we have to go to our last secret, which is over here, in front of me.
Ancient
And now you have
Chinese
to work
secret.
very, very fast. Just jump up and down. Now, yeah, I'm gonna get the gas bomb ready because I need it for a certain fight, and they are called evil daisies. There we go. So I'm gonna go back again, get another one, and do the same shenanigan tricks again. And you know, you should be actually technically be fine. There we go. And just for safety, I will have my sword ready. Evil Daisy, where are you? Where is Evil Daisy? Come here, you Evil Daisy. Thank you, Evil Daisy dies. Here's another Daisy. Charging at me. Ow.
Cowabunga.
Rest in peace. Leonardo, Donatello, Raphael, and Michelangelo. Rest in peace. Right. So let's not fall in here like I did the last time. Just be very, very careful. Grab the fortune cookie. Make the mountains erupt. I want this because I'm stacked with missiles. And I'm not going to use the nuclear warhead in this last battle. But I'm going to try my best as well because this last battle is quite tough. It takes a lot of focus out of people. And yeah, missile launcher and everything else is still here. Right. To escape, sadly, you have to run back here again. There we go. And now this fight. So this is a difficult fight. This is where we're gonna fight Zilla himself. Zilla is a machine. Or shall I say Zilla is a person with a big body build and a person controlling him inside it. Now this arena is a seesaw. It is quite tricky when you have to battle somebody like that. Okay, here goes. And use everything to your advantage. Ooh, that edge. Just use everything.
Stand by.
No, I can't use that. I can't use that. When I was younger, I had God mode on, and I defeated Zilla with a sword. So yeah, not that way. Ooh. There's a man, as you can look carefully, there is a man right there in the middle. I think I will defeat you with that. There we go. Zilla is officially dead. Yay! Zilla's gone. Yay! What a fight.
Hey, what happened? Hey, what the hell?
Damn you, Lo Wang. I will rebuild and come for you again.
You are weak as a baby fart. Go live in fear.
And like I suspected, there was only 4 kills that we were missing, but that is fine. Stone Rain. Very, very tough map to beat. And I'm actually very proud of myself, because out of all the boss monsters that I have been fighting, I've been saving the whole time. This one, I didn't want to save. I wanted to push myself and decided I want to proceed further with this. And this is an amazing map. Don't get me wrong, episode 16, very, 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 very well done, very well played. I really, truly enjoyed this game. This is actually one of my childhood memories that I really, really love. And what a fun game. Really, truly, what a fun game. While practicing, I got an achievement on Steam saying that I've completed Shadow Warrior. So sadly I don't have the achievement in front of me right now, but I did do that achievement and it was actually well done. This was all 100% from all the maps that I played, all 100% kills and all 100% secrets. I'm actually very, very proud of myself for completing this. If you're not aware of the volcano falling down on your head the whole time, you are going to die instantly. I almost died like twice or 3 times because of that volcano. Sumo, you can cheese it, or you can actually get in, run in circles and try and kill him normally. But safer advantage is to stay by the door and just go ham with him. Zilla is a different story because you have to keep him in the middle. If he's not in the middle, the demon snake, sorry, the evil demon snake of Zilla. If he's not in the middle, he's going to chase you around the whole temple, which it's going to be difficult for him to come back to that same spot. and it's going to be difficult for you to actually proceed what you have to do. So it takes a lot of concentration to get him in that middle and just run around in a half circle. Think of it as when you're doing the Revenant fight in Sunlust on map 25. And yeah, and the machine Zilla, the one that's controlling Zilla with the armor and things like that, that was a very tough one, because like I said, the teetering swing that does that the whole time, you have to stay on your toes. I almost fell down again and I almost restarted, but that is also where I got load shedded during my recording of the video. But yeah, from episode 1, from E1 to E4, beautiful, beautifully done. Your first boss monster that you have to fight over there, from E2 and 1 all the way up to here. Well done, very, very well done. I actually loved it a lot. And if you guys loved this video, hit that thumbs up for me. Show YouTube you loved it. If you didn't enjoy it, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel for more support. Hit that notification bell for when more of these walkthroughs, blind let's plays, whatever shenanigans comes in your way. With that said and done, thank you once again for watching, guys. Stay frosty, stay safe, stay strong, stay healthy, and remember one thing. There is a flame that burns inside of you, so ignite it and flame on. Cheers, guys. Adios, cheerios.
You no mess with Lo Wang.